SystemSpecs Children's Day Essay Competition is a competition that is so impactful in the life of the children since we started participating in the program. Last year, we participated in this competition fully, and I'm here to attest to the fact that the competition is of standard, as the process were clear to all the participants from the beginning, and the organizer were able to follow the process throughout without fear or favor to all participants. And at the end of the day, all promises made at the beginning of the advertisement were kept to.
We're very excited to be a part of this initiative by SystemSpecs. I would say that they're doing a very good job because this has also enhanced our children in creative writing. It has also helped their thinking abilities and also their writing skills in general.
When SystemSpecs called us that we should come to receive what we have won, we were expecting something like probably a dictionary or probably just a flash drive and all that. But eventually we got huge amounts of gifts from SystemSpecs. In fact, the value is almost more than $1 million. SystemSpecs did a lot by motivating all our students. In fact, the award that was given to the school naturally stimulated every one of them, and today you can see a lot of them without putting pressure on them. They are eager to write, they want to go for competition. In fact, they are all looking forward to this year's edition of SystemSpecs competition.
I want to encourage as many schools as possible to please enter into this competition. SystemSpecs, they are faithful, they are honorable, they kept to their promise. All they promised to give the student, the school, we got everything.
It was a very exciting one. I faced some challenges, but I was still able to push through and accomplish it through the help of my parents, my principal, and my English teacher. And I was able to submit, and to my amazement, I was able to come out as the first in Nigeria. I was surprised, but I was still very excited. It was one of the happiest days of my life.
It's been a great experience in all. I felt privileged to have been one of the representatives to follow the school to the SystemSpecs office. It was a great experience. Until this day, I feel very privileged to be counted as one of the winners.
It was a really great experience because it was my first time participating in such an essay competition, and I emerged as the winner. So really great.
One thing is teaching, another thing is the kids' interest in doing what they had to do. It's not even about the prize now, it's about telling them that they are champions, whether they win or not. So that's basically how I helped them to be champion, not just him. I think 3 of our students came out the best.
The first thing we discover is that the essay is not the regular one of a narrative essay. It's more of an expository essay, which requires that we have to do proper researching, but not to do plagiarism. So that means that whatever material we get on the internet, we have to read and understand before we correlate our thoughts together. And that one was a new one for both of us, which was not too easy, but at least we were able to achieve something.
I must say that working with Uchenna was quite an interesting experience because she has always been a good writer, always producing poems and short stories. So when that essay came up, she took it up and she started writing. So it was fantastic working with her, though she had challenges on the way which she was able to overcome.
I want to thank SystemSpecs for bringing this to the country for the benefit of our children.
Thank you very much, SystemSpecs, and we hope to see more and more of these good initiatives in the tech space.
SystemSpecs, I want to say a big thank you to you. God bless you for what you are doing, and please keep it up.
Thank you so much, SystemSpecs. Kudos to you. More grace to your egos.
Thank you so much, SystemSpecs. I'm very grateful.
I want to say a very big thank you to them.
To SystemSpecs, thank you very much.
I would like to say a very big thank you to SystemSpecs for this great opportunity because it actually has opened more doors for me. I have started writing poems and more poems, and I have also started to write a book on the laptop which they gave to me.
I want to say a very big thank you to SystemSpecs.
I just want to say a very, very big thank you to SystemSpecs.